What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do a screen record on your MacBook computer. Now first what you want to do is to go up to this search bar right here where you see Spotlight Search. Now what you want to type in is QuickTime Player. Now once you type in that, you will see it comes up right there. Then you can go ahead and click on QuickTime Player. Now when it comes like this, you won't see anything for screen recording. What you want to do is to click on Cancel. Now you're going to appear right here on this task bar. What you want to do is to double click on it on the trackpad. Now what you're going to see right now is a new movie recording, new audio recording, new screen recording. Now what you want for this video, we're going to look at new screen recording. So when I click on that, you're going to see option right here in which we have a panel which we can choose the option. Now for this one, we're going to capture the entire screen, or we can capture selected windows, or we can capture a selected portion. Also, we can record the entire screen, we can record the selected portion, and also we have option right here in which we can use, for example, if we want to save it to a desktop, to a documents, a message, and those places we can set the timer, how long we want to record, and also we can choose the microphone in which we can, for the voice recording and those things. Now, what we can do right now, we can click on record. Now once activity, anything you're doing right now on the Windows is being recorded in the QuickTime Player right here. Now once you're finished with your recording, you're going to click on this icon right here up at the top, and you can see your recording right there. Now once you choose the location in which you want to save it to, it will automatically save to that location. As you can see right now, all of the things that is being recorded. Then you can select file and you can save it to the desired location if you decide to change it. I want to export it, or any format that you want to export it in. So you want to export it as 4K, 1080p, and those things, you can export it as that. Just click on the file up here and you can see more options. If you want to save it, you want to close it, and those things. So that's how we record on our MacBook computer. So guys, if you find this video helpful, remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.